If you own a home anywhere in Massachusetts, you need to hear this. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why the biggest national insurance companies often fail Massachusetts homeowners, which companies handle wind and hail storms the best, the hidden deductible trap that could cost you thousands of dollars, secret pricing strategies even your agent won't tell you. So let's start with the surprising fact. Arbella and Mapfre Insurance are the largest writers of homeowners insurance in Massachusetts as of 2020. They get New England. Their policies are built for our unique challenges, especially the nor'eastern storms and the unique possible claims that these bring. They work through local independent insurance brokers who know their communities and our clients. State Farm is also on the list of top insurers in Massachusetts, and they've got some clear advantages. Their mobile app is slick, claims are streamlined, and their bundling discounts can save you a lot on your insurance. But here's what they don't advertise. Their standard policies are often pricier than your local insurance companies and may have wind deductibles where some insurance companies may not. So let's talk about our local champions. Vermont Mutual is also at the top of the list for Massachusetts homeowners. They are a well-respected insurance company that has been serving policyholders for over 180 years, with strong reputation for customer service and financial stability. Vermont Mutual offers a range of insurance products, including homeowners, auto insurance, and business insurance. As a regional insurer, Vermont Mutual understands the unique needs of Massachusetts homeowners. If you're a Massachusetts homeowner looking for reliable and affordable insurance, consider working with a local independent insurance broker who represents Vermont Mutual. Safety insurance has been here for over 100 years. Their agents know their market, and they're fantastic with those tricky historic homes. Sometimes it might cost a little bit more, but there's always a reason why. They actually understand what it takes to repair a Victorian home properly. Plymouth Rock, they're popular because they are one of the insurance companies that won't raise your rates after your first accident. If your home qualifies, they may be a great option for you. There are so many other locally strong insurance companies. If I were to discuss them, this video will be much longer than it is now. Keep in mind that prices vary widely based on your specific situation. For a $500,000 single-family home, you may be looking at $1,200 to $2,000 a year. But that same coverage on a 3 or 4 family home could be up to $4,000 or more. What affects what you pay is the location of your home, how old the utilities, and the owner's insurance score all matter. A Victorian home in Dorchester pays differently than a colonial home in Worcester or Jamaica Plain. And here's what really matters. Forget about finding the cheapest rate. Focus on working with a local independent insurance broker who can represent you with a company that would adequately insure your needs. When you're dealing with a collapsed roof from a snow load, an out-of-state insurance company trying to figure out your home's building codes. Ready to make sure that you got the right insurance company? Here's what to do. First, get quotes from both national and local insurance companies through your local independent insurance broker. Second, specifically ask about the coverages and limitations on their policies. Remember, your local independent insurance broker represents multiple regional and national financially strong insurance companies, and we work for you, not any one insurance company. Thank you for watching.